Thokozani sanibonani dumelang absheni endalo lo bulisayo umkhuloti inyanga yompedi inyanga yabantu umsizi wabantu inkokheli kamoya kuyinkokheli yabantu niyazi bakwethu ukuthi ngiyanisiza futhi nginenzela izinto ziyenzeke bakwethu namhlanje I'm talk about imbiza bakwethu zidinga ukuthi zibe well packaged. Imbiza zidinga ukuthi ziphekelwe endaweni eclean. Imbiza zidinga ukuthi zenziwe endaweni eziclean. Imbiza zidinga ukuthi ziyenziwe endaweni eziright. Ungatholi ngapha ibhodo lembiza kupheke ngapha imbiza. Ngapha umkhulu osegcekeni upheka inyama engulube. They won't work. Ngapha kusendaweni yotshwala abantu bayaqhwala abantu bayenza ini kuphekwa inyama ngalembiza ngaleli bhodo lipheka imbiza. No, we need amabhodo aright in order for ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi nathi sibe healthy siphuze imbiza eziright. Kunabantu abanye bayenza nje imbiza like umuntu enza nje imbiza yakhe meyenza uma ifika kuwena ngaphakathi kwena uzwa induku ezinye ezikukhama zifike la uzwa ukuthi ukhama into la yakhama into ehleli la kuyinduku esuke embizeni ngaphakathi. That's not how imbiza kumele ukuthi sibe ngakhona. Imbiza sidinga ukuthi imbiza sibe kanje. Imbiza ibe clean, imbiza ibe pure, imbiza ibe nice. So manje ngithe mangilongo ngihamba endaweni ngahlangana nentombi yomXhosa. Intombi yomXhosa ngadibana nayo madoda ngwanyana omonhle bana ngwanyana othi bangohlapa ngadibana nosisi uSindiswa Mdladlamba. Usindiswa Mdladlamba intombi yale Eastern Cape. Ngumuntu osebenza ngamakhambi esintu but amakhambi esintu under iSuper Life STC30. iSuper Life STC30 ilabantu abasebenza ngembiza ngokulungisa abantu abagulayo, abantu abagulelwayo, abantu abanenkinga. Kanti le STC30 uSindiswa Mdladlamba uma ngimdinga ngiyomthola kuphi? Please mntaka baba, don't hesitate. Call uSindiswa Mdladlamba on 081 379 6149. I repeat again, 081 379 6449. 081 379 6149. uSindiswa Mdladlamba usendaweni yase Pretoria la khona. Ngithi amanamba akhe athi 081 379 6449. Ngisho phela is 333 1234 which is 10 numbers. Sindiswa Mdladlamba. Ungathi mangithi ngihlala intombi enhle umXhosa bese nawe usuyahamba yomshela. Hey nyanazi naba kwethu. Especially namadoda. Hey ningozi ka. Manje uSindiswa Mdladlamba usebenza ngeSuper Life STC30. Uma uthanda ukumjoyina ukuthi umjoyina uthengise STC30, there is an amount of izokhuluma naye ekujoyinise ujoyine under yena then now ukwazi ukuthi usebenze under ini iSuper Life STC30. iSTC30 iSuper Life isiza ngani abantu? Kunabantu abaningi emhlabeni babewasha kanzima impahla zabo, bewasha mhlawumbe abanye ngezandla for iminyaka eminingi, abanamshini abanani, abanye kudala besebenza kwi-company zabelungu noma abanye besenze emakhishini. Uloku busy emakhishini uwasha izinto, uyasha into ngezandla, into zakho azikhanya, uwasha amamet, uwasha ingubo zamabhunu, uwasha ingubo zamaSulumane, ingubo zamaNdiya zithe eyinuka ingubo zamaNdiya kumele uwashe. Plus ubani ungasebenza entweni eIndia, endlini eIndia uyasokola shem. Ngiyambona umlungu. Uyabona India badle bashiye lapho kumele uyowasha. Ingane zakhona ikake kumele uyowasha. Siyotholakala ukuthi amathambo wakho manje awasasebenzi. Then udinga iSTC30 in order for you ukwazi ukuthi wenzeni ube right. STC30 iza ikhombo yakhona ngendlela efika ngayo then ikwazi ukuthi kusize. Bese ngikhulume nabantu abaqoshiwe emendweni ngenxa ukuthi wena kuthiwa awubi nabantwana, kuthiwa wena uze la uzwa nje imali umkhwenyana, ayikho into edlayo, ayikho into uyenzayo, ayikho into ebonakalayo enhle nje oyenzayo. Lapho ke sikhuluma ngabantu ke abathi bona babi nabantwana. I-STC30 iyasiza ekuvuleni amaqanda akho aqandeleke, amaqanda wakho aqabele kakuhle, aqabele izinto eziyayo esiphuma esidodeni kuze yonke into ukwazi ukuthi ibe right. Ungabi namaqanda umfazi angaqandeleki amaqanda akho. Kuma iqanda uma lihlangana nento liphihlike iqanda kube nengane ebonakalayo. Bese abantu aphethwe imigraine nabo bayasizakala, basizwa i-STC30. Bese wena umuntu oba ne-stress kakhulu, wakhuluma ngenhliziyo, wazithola ungazazi ukuthi enhlizweni yakho kanti yini inkinga. Wena umuntu ohlushwa yi-high, uzuthi high yakho iphakeme. Wena umuntu at some point uzwa ngathi ikhanda lakho ngathi uphethwe ikhanda elinye elingaphakathi. Uma sometimes uhleli ngathi watsikila, bathi ngisixhosa isiyezi, ngathi ubethwa isiyezi, udinga i-STC30. Iyakusiza i-STC30. Bese ngikhulume nawe wena umuntu othi mina ngiphethwe i-diabetes, but mkhulu ngidla amaphilisi e-arthritis, ngidla amaphilisi e-diabetes, ngidla amaphilisi e-high blood pressure, ngidla amaphilisi ngiyeba odokoteni abaningi ukuthi bangisize futhi ngikwazi ukuzala kodwa ngizali. Mkhulu namhlanje diabetic kunzima, nangale ntshonalanga ngisayi kuyongena khona ngoba kwazeki. For i-diabetes mntaka baba, please, for lamaphilisi angarespondi kuwena, you need amaphilisi ukuthi ayi-react kuwena, udinga i-STC30. STC30 izokwenza ukuthi into zakho zikhanye. STC30 izokwenza ukuthi into zakho zibonakala ukuthi ziyangaphi. STC30 izokwazi ukuthi yenze ukuthi wena uma umuntu i-diabetes ithi ukuthi. Ezinye zezifo ezilapha i-STC30 iyazilapha, i-super life iyazilapha. Manje wena uma udinga usindiswa Mdladlamba, ngicela umfonele futhi. I'll say the numbers again. It's 081, it's 379, it's 69, it's 49. Lana kena uthumela izinto zakho well packaged. She's running an online store ye-super life. Futhi na ufuna ukuthumela izinto, she does send you things rightly from her own site, ukwazi nawe ukuthi ube right. Uyekele ukuhlala mntaka baba ugula. These things are affordable. These things, they are pure. These things, they are well cooked and clean. Awutholi nje into othola ukuthi awuyazi nawe ukuthi ithini kuwe. Usindiswa Mdladlamba mkhulu uyini? Usindiswa Mdladlamba is a professionalness, a person osebenza ngama clients each and every day. Usindiswa Mdladlamba it's a person osebenza ngama patients agulayo izifo ezahlukahlukene. So at some point you need abantu aba well learned, abantu aba well educated, abantu of which are on that rank of education kuze bekwazi ukuthi belungise into zenu ngoba bona they do things more appropriate unlike others. I won't say they're doing it inappropriately laba abanye, but professionalism always works bakwethu because of isikolo naso sinengcenye esidlalayo entweni ethize, especially for izinto ezifana namakhambi esintu. We need abantu abangathi esikolweni bake bathi ukufakiswa kancane bathi ngoba umuntu maybe azange atsipa iso esikolweni uzotshela umuntu wakhona meyikhuluma ngisho na ku YouTube so uyothuke inhlambe engaka kunezinye inyanga umuyibukela uyibuza ukuthi how can you mainly say such a word uyibuza ethuke umuntu live ini kama wakhe into ayikhuluma nje into ethize ukumangazi ukuthi lento le bese a person calls himself a prophet or a pastor or a traditional healer. It's impossible. So bakwethu usindiswa Mdladlamba, amanamba akhe ngishilo it's 081 379 6949. Then to whoever who needs to know about the Facebook Inyanga MPEDI Mkhuloti, Facebook Inyanga MPEDI Mkhuloti, there are many Facebooks. Some of them they are there when I was still in high school. Some of them they are there Facebooks when I was still in primary. Some of Facebooks are there when I was still working in some other offices, others in some other retail places of which bengisebenza kuzo kudala. Kodwa the original Facebook yamkhuloti la ivulile, it's not leza manje ezizwa njenge group kodwa engivulile ithi imvuselelo kahoti. Kunemvuselelo yabantu angwazanga ukuthi ngiyenze yaba nenkinga yavaleka. Imvuselelo kahoti. It's a Facebook page evule Inyanga MPEDI in order for ukuvusela abantu nabantu abathi bona bafuna ama ritual angizowasho nje mahala. I need you ukuthi go and like a page and comment kuimvuselelo kahoti on Facebook. imvuselelo kahoti. Kahoti, hoti, it's K-A-H-O-T-I. Imvuselelo kahoti. Kahoti, you just write imvuselelo, the name, then you put K-A-H-O-T-I, then it will appear. Other groups of which Inyanga yoMPEDI, Mkhulu, of which people are scamming abantu ngazo, I don't know any kind of Facebook. It has been done by abantu in order for them to gain their own benefits. Then Mkhulu uhlola abantu ngemali engange 500 rand each and every day. Sunday gona nje akahlola abantu. Sunday just meet the person one on one, then konke kulunge. Lobo nganyanga yoMPEDI Mkhulu all the way from south of Johannesburg. Makhosi.